Isikolo ngisicale Lutheran Church, yabo. At that time ikolo bekusase amasonto. Bekuyi Royal Education. Yabo. It was equal. It was not discriminated on. It was equal yase England. By the way, before siba ama apartheid subjects, we were direct British subjects. Angithi we understand. Now, kusho ukuthi we were under a direct British rule. That is why most of our intellectuals owatholayo lama time alawo babesuka la, uyabona. Uya e-England, you don't need a visa and all that. No, you are a member of the Commonwealth. Yabo. Mawusuka la ungangena eBotswana, ungene eZambia, ungene kuphi abakufuni nix uyi British subject. La bazoqala bakubuza iphepha khona mawungena ku Portuguese colony yabo Portugal. In fact ithi ngite Mozambique. Yabo lapho ke akusi British wasinayo. But you could border that is why they would border umkhumbi la. If I'm not mistaken, maune £1 yabona. By then £1 you could upode umkhumbi to London. Yabo. And then uzothola education. Yiko ke ama intellectuals wethu amaningi thole ilona yabo. But ke at the same time leyo nto ijuxtapose nani ne Afrikaner nationalist rule yabo nayo iyeza nayo ngo1948 say thole ipower manje uyabona and mase ithole ipower say khipha manje iBritish domination yabo kuza manje ilona iza nama policies wayo manje uyabona hence kuba khona ke abobantu education influx control ne passport yachinja manje uyabona sekuba the traveling document ya specify nje ukuthi ufanele ukuya lana kuphela yabona into njengaleyo. Ibantu education is a system made out of administration yamabhunu yabo. It does not equate le yamangisi yabona kangangokuthi ama student of that time felt ukuthi they were better students because they were taught in English, they were taught by English teachers, people who had gone to England, yabona. Inje British what yabo. Mara makuqala manje mara angithi manje akusi educational sphere kuphela terrain. Kukhona political terrain that is ever changing yabo. Masikhuluma ngo1955 I'm sure bese ku straight on yabo. Yeah, kakhulu sisa la ku isikhathi sabo phahlela nabo lona yabo. Amabhunu manje njengoba sewathathile as a nationalist party sekuyiwo manje arana izinto athi uDaki sizomenzela education emsuthayo yabona. Khona lona abo serious abo banibani aba advocate ukuthi uDaki must akunasidingo sokuthi uDaki abe educated yabo. uDaki kumele educate ngalendlela thina esimfuna ngayo yabo into njengaleyo. Ba designer ke ibantu education lezo rejectwa abo Mthuping nabo lona ukuthi base ba end up career yabo. Ezekiel phela Mphahlele, if I'm not mistaken, wahamba very early la country yabo. Wahamba earlier even uTambo angithi wahamba ngo1957 why Britain yabo. Yeah, Ezekiel Mphahlele I'm sure uhambe even Netjema. In fact ithi nje yiba babe ku forefront Netjema amabhunu mawayi install ukuthi si installa ilona apartheid education yabo. Bantu education by reject. That was the end of their careers as teachers yabo into njengaleyo. Hence ba opta ukuya outside abanye ke ba pursue their political outlooks yabo. Right. Mara sisiyathi siyafunda lapha yana However kwase kuyi disintegration manje seku-establishwa i-Bantu education yabo angithi ipromulgatewe lapha kubo 53 54 yaqala ya implementwa kwabane Hula Balu abo Ezekiel Mphahlele yabona ya professor Ezekiel Mphahlele nabo Mthuping Joe bathini Zef Mthuping yabo amatishara seOrlando High lawo that time bekufundelwa or ithi ngithi amangisi for the better part bewasebenzisa amasonto yabo yeah yiko ngithi ngangifunda umuntu makangibuza ukuthi ngacala laphi isigela ngimtshela ukuthi ngacala eLuther ngoba kusesontweni and then opposite eLuther uyabona ngale across la kuma taxi khona kunesonto lapho kuthiwa iWhite Church nakhona kwakuyisikolo uyabona la kaChakani la kujika ama-taxi khona kunesonto la but iSwiss mission yabo it was a Swiss mission yabo and then a Swiss mission yabona khona Switzerland iSwiss mission kwakuyileli elile enzansi la kwacala khona uJomo Sono isikolo yabo bese kuthiwa isikolo samachangane yabona lonto it was a Swiss mission yona ke kwakuyisikolo esipredominantly machangane indaba nje ukuthi eOrlando kwakunganani lento yamazone bani or it was never divided that way yabo however educationally predominantly yabona isikolo yabona yeah lesi babathi iditawu under British rule yayikhona ke yona bebizwa ukuthi St John's yabona there were those royal educationists ezafunda eSt John's yabo and then makungena kuba iApartheid system sekuba iditawu yabona into njengaleyo kuba khona iBattlefield lapha ngasema groundini that's where ke ithi ngithi mangisuka eLuther kwathiwa isikolo sizodilika la eLuther yabo in fact isonto laline crack yabo yeah kwathiwa man kanti kwase kuchintshwa vele ku removewa isystem from ukuthi nifundele emasontweni yabo idominant yamasonto engasekho or participation yamasonto engasekho strong yabo so mangisuka eLuther ngaya elitawu kusase iSt John's those were the last years zokuthi ibe iSt John's first years yokuthi ibe iditawu masifika elitawu kutholakala ukuthi bathi bazothatha few amaZulu yabo ngoba isikolo sekuyisikolo sabesuthu yabo kusho ukuthi benza nje one class ephuma lapha yana uyabona ukuthi singakanani la bathatha nje one class ephuma lapha yana kuba yiyo ezoba eyamaZulu yabo the rest siyadlula yabo asakwazi ukufundela itawu sesiyofunda manje sengiya eTikiline that's where ke ngafunda isubstandard A yami khona ngifundiswa umama kaJackie Silibi yabo mama kaJackie Silibi was a mistress yabo and uJackie Silibi by then yena ufunda mina njengoba ngizoyenza isubstandard what yena uyocala eprimary higher primary ufunda uStandard 3 uJackie yabo ngicala ukwazana noJackie Silibi from lapho ngiya kanjalo eTikiline right eTikiline ke ngifundiswa umama wakhe uJackie ngiyaphasa ngiyamanje across la kuyisonto likaLhanyani khona namhlanje it used to be called a Dutch Reformed Church yabo yayinelitshe la Dutch Reformed Church established 1919 yabo yayikhona as far back as 1919 kwakuyiyo ke isikolo engathi sisound ngoba kwakunama class mari kwakuyayinalo isonto nayo yabona yeah adjacent yesonto but kunama class yabo so that was now called iThembalihle primary school yabo that's where I went about with my standard 1 standard 2 standard 3 no standard 2 By then, the principal was a male, a lower primary. Mr. Zuma. The last time ngcinana no Mr. Zuma, Mr. Zuma wayengithuma iphepha. Ngindwana. Kusho ukuthi wathi ubani odlula ka konje besithi kabani lapha yana. Maridumile ithamba la khona noma ukhwela itaxi uwehla manje udlula la itikilani kulesikole ngikutshela ngaso uthi so uyehla phambili bathi kabani konje sengifuna ukuthi kaphakathi manje ngizokukhumbula igama lakho kusho ukuthi iphepha lali available lapho i-Rand Daily Mail so before ngize esikolweni bengidlula lapha yana ngilithathe sengiyakhuphuka ngitrusted yaleyo nto ngifike ngilishiye ku Mr. Zuma ngimthola shaya itayi lana ahleli elona mangena lapha unoda ngenhloko ngiyalishiya ilona ngiyaphuma futhi mara one day ngathi ngilibeka iphepha walibheka kayi-1 sayoba ngumnyango masiphuma well nama didn't know ukuthi what is happening uyabona but sayoba ngumnyango ibhanti walihlutha ngoba ngethi ulifakela esitulweni walihlutha net nje iphepha zangalithatha walibona nje kayi-1 ama headlines well mina didn't care about ama headlines kangako well the least I could do ukuyobheka isport ngale mangithi ngiyalipheruza iphepha lakhe but ukuthi what is happening lapho angakalayithi nami ukuthi ngiyaka copy right but I'm just impressed ukuthi i-principal ingistira iphepha so thank you ngiyaphuma ngeklasini yami eklasini angeke bathi ulate no bayazi ngiphuma uyolandela uprincipal mara mfethu ngiyakutshela lelo langa uMr Zuma ngathi mangicede ukulibeka angithi ngiyaphuma angidlule endleleni waphuma wayehamba ngeOpel wangena kuOpel ngamgcina lelo langa azange aphinda abe principal esikele well ke sengizorealize late ukuthi hey man kwakushukumile ilo ishaphile and manje kusho ukuthi yena imshukumisa a day because sikhona esikolweni a day before ishaphile yabona into njengaleyo so yena mangimshiyela iphepha already situation yaseyiboiler so whatever he saw there whether people were arrested or what was happening but wagcina lelo langa wahamba we never had i-principal anymore uMr Zuma okay nama ngazi ukuthi what is happening mara ke later on sengiyarealize ukuthi oh man uMr Zuma wayenyakaziswa ilona ishaphile ngoba following day emakhaya sesiyavinjwa manje kuthiwa yini esikolweni yabo awasiye esikolweni ya kanti iyo ke manje iSharpeville Day yabo engina another picture futhi ngayo iSharpeville Day njengoba basivimba bathi singayi esikolweni yabo lapha ngasekhaya yabona uma ulapha ekhaya khona lendlu lenkulu opposite shop nale ngale le eseyidilipitated kwakuyipark lapho sasithi kusemaswinkini kwakuyipark kwakunama meli ground na yonke into kuyipark nje esifule yabo but that day what happened kwakhona ama gangsters that time yabo kwakuthiwa ama Black Swine yabo nama Apache yabo nama German fighting against ama Berlin ama Berries nama Roma yabo mara what happened that day the famous gangsters ezaziwayo la ukuthi ama gangsters yabo siyazibona lapha ngithi basivimbile ukuthi singaye esikela asiyange esikela sikhona akakabi ke nalamabonda ekwamabonda kusase ifence le ayimaintainwa umasipala mayingathi wile uyayifaka umasipala anifakele negate apende amagathasi i-service delivery thina siyazi from lapho kuyinto njenge uthi uyavuka ekuseni uthole sekugcwele into zakamasipala la ejardini lakini sebayenza ibase camp la yabo kuzopendwa ke ipenti izophumela lana kupendwe all over la kumele izenke malivuza liyakhishwa kufakwe elinye liyapendwa indlu ipendwa yonke all right manje into engiyibonayo la man ama gangsters hey man kwakusasenomsakazo ke yabo umsakazo we used to call it radio fishing yabo ispeaker wediswe sasaphaza ipropaganda ya tsena ke ditaba le difiwa ke Joseph Makema yabo mo yetapele wa South Africa JG Stradom what bonana izo nje well kune attention la endlini ene emsakazweni awudlaleli hayi yabo umsakazo uyahlupha ngoba uyabambisana ispeaker manje mawungazi ukuthi kwenzekani la nemawuthi so ufana nokuthi ukhiphe station what lapho ke sowulahlile mabafika sekuyinduku bayazi ukuthi bathi bofunani lapha hey uthe mina ngizange bathi labo ufunani lapha yabo asikutshelanga ukuthi ungahe lapha hey ubona ukuthi umsakazo lona man yabo ene ispeaker esicala ukudlalisa iradio Bantu 59 iradio fishing mangicabanga kahle bese ikhona beyisakaza in the absence iradio Bantu bekusasakaza isibhono uyabona yeah Springbok radio what yabo mara kwaba khona islot se radio Bantu yabo namhlanje isiZulu yabo KE Masinga izindaba zifundwa uKE Masinga yabo kusasa ditaba dibalwa ke Joseph Makema ama dilengwa first pioneers we radio Bantu ke lawo yabo so nanga manje amadidi ama-gangster da afolile 4 uyabona usually abantu abahostile laba baphatha imbazo baya athekana uyabona lonto but right they know bamele yabona siyasibona lesandla lesi when everybody aphakamisa isandla yabona but I don't know ukuthi mina ngazi nje ukuthi ama-gangster nanga hayi afolile laphana ngiyabona yalona ayafola masuka lapha ama-gangsters angena manje ngeitrati yabo sila thina nabo mama sivinjiwe akufunekanga inkulu into eyenzakalayo lapha thi akufunekanga sibe on the loose ngizomangazwa ekhaya abavumela ama-gangsters abantu abaziwayo uTax was one of them yabo ekhaya kwangena uTax uyangena hayi nasekhaya bamlwisi yabambuzi nokumbuza ubuya nawo umsakazo uyaphuma yabo uyalapha yana labe bashaya indeshini khona bawulahlela lapha imsakazo yachiswa lapho ke imsakazo the day kuchiswa amabhasi Sharpeville shoot Sharpeville 6 but in 1960 Sharpeville shooting yabo okay how man ekhaya bangaye kuTax athathi umsakazo wasekhaya sizolalelana mina ngwaridi ngaride ukuthi man kuzolalelwani lo ngoba nanga uTax yabo enama gangsters abantu abaziwayo ukuthi hayi khona kanti no that time iPAC immobilizer even the very gangsters ukuthi this time asilwi sodwa siyokhipha manje izinto ekuspreada ngazo ipropaganda yabo kumele kungenelwe zona ezindlini and molest nix difike nje ndonsa lento kwakuyispeaker nje sihlala lapha ebondeni sine cable nje nyana ine prop ngaphandle yabo bona mabakuvalela makuthiwa umsakazo wakini uvaliwe anibhadali yabo and how much was the tariff by then 4 cent yabo ukulalela nje lesa speaker 4 cent a month nobhadala le radio fishing endlini nibhadalela umsakazo yabona ngoba kuzozamanya amadoda la afike akhiphe kule noble akhiphe into engathi yilo bathini chip yabo ichip ifakwe la nje kuyavalwa yabo intambo nayo iphuma ingene endlini iconnecta kule speaker yabona umsakazo uzodlala uyavala ngo9 yabona ngo7 banitshela indaba mabacede ukunitshela indaba kudlala nje iprogram nyana or story and then from there sekuyisibhono from there ngo9 udaki funeke kube sekalele yabo zazavule kusasa khani manje ngiya lower primary which is now iBattlefield yabo mawazi number 2 ground namhlanje bayibiza ukuthi ifuneleni yabo well it used to be called iBattlefield yabo lesaskela lesiyana yabo mangifika ke kula mina mangizofunda standard 3 abo Jake sebafunda standard 5 in fact standard 6 yabo yeah same school yabo enelesiya yiso esinye isikolo abo Jake uJake wenza isuthu by then yabona but kunama standard 6 ama class wama standard 6 wesuthu nama class wama standard 6 wesizulu yabo similar nama standard 3 yona what babibizana ipatleli combined school something like that yabo but is accommodator ke sonke ke lapho yabona abo Jerry Sadike is the famous siqeda kumncwabo nolas the famous Orlando Pirates footballer in fact first black player yokudlala ku white team even league yabo league la kwakhona iNPSL no not NP yeah National Professional Soccer League NPSL yabo irano abo Josh Thabi yabo and then kwakhona NFL yabo National Football League yama whites yabo badlala kuma prestigious stadiums. Rand Stadium was prestigious yabona Balfour Park yabo hey man culture yethu yayireach kabi ke eOrlando wena mfethu when it comes to football or sport yiko ngithi yabona ku sport it's a library of sport kube uJake Ntuli he's the first black man or his first South African to win a British Commonwealth Boxing Championship. He came back, he built a swimming pool which was called Mauzo Abantwana eOrlando abathi baya swimming but siyaka Jake. It's Jake. Yeah, masibuya nje siqale zirust security branch. Siyaphuma eziras Groot Mariko security branch siyaphuma Groot Mariko Koster security branch dot Protea security branch siyasplitwa ke la ngiyotithenwa le kwenye indawo bathi kuse Eldorado mawuya ngase Krugersdorp yabo in fact mawuya towards Magalies iKruger idideni yabo ufakazi bawumbeka le bathi lapha ku mine town there yini Carltonville yabo omunye John Foster uboy ngoba wase Transkei bamthathe Transkei sihlukana naye lapho uboy sesahlala ke manje la siku detention konje kwafika kukhala le generator le yasesitolo ku makungana gas awukazi ufike yeah well kusho ukuthi makucima ugesi ta balayithi i-generator yabo nje la machita ngithi man yazi chance mina i-generator njengoba ihlala kanje ngahlala nayo 9 months i-generator iduma every day. Do you get it? Kule police station engiyo la ngidithenwe khona ibackyard yakhona neview yami isikela sabantwana bamabhunu i-ground yami irugby iplaza lebhunu yabona so la police station so in between bakhe idide i-generator i-supplier zonke le ndawo lezi so iduma day in and day out so kimi iduma about not more than 100 meters away from game la yabo okay siyahlala ke leo 9 months siya releasewa yabo mas releasewa basifuna idide isame verke yabo ukuthi sisebenzisane nabo yabo hayi sebenzisane nani ya hayi madoda mina man le proposal yenu ngiyayizwa kodwa ke mani ngisazofuna ukungiyobuza umama yabona hey man uyindoda endala kangaka ukhuluma ngendaba kamama ngithi yo phela kumele ngimtshele ukuthi sengisebenza nani manje hayi wena uyahlanyisa wena but yabo but manje akusela going forward ukuthi ungase ungithochara sekufana nokuthi seyiphelile into yini yabo basi release ke yabo ngayo leyo gane ukuthi nina kumele nisebenzisane nathi no azange singene indaba yayo but into enkulu ukuthi sibanjelwa yini kuyo yonke lento asinamachaphaza ukuthi mawukhuluma ngeaffiliation sawu jamba sithi PAC bafuna bona kanye lapho mawuthi ANC kusho ukuthi phela umuntu wakho yabona into njengale so mawungekho lapho uyabawisa abasakutholi kahle manje ukuthi baza kufunelaphi bakubizela abantu bakubuze nake nambone eTanzania lo hayi angaze ngimbone positive wena hayi angaze ngimbone kusho ukuthi hayi azange abe seTanzania lo therefore istory asitshela sona vele kusho ukuthi siyasetha sinda kanjalo ke siphume yabo sina 2 months siphumile laba bayabuya abase Zimbabwe yabo abo Uber bayabathatha bona baba mixa edukwe yabo abahlala edukwe abo Uber bayabuya sinezinto lana mfethu asikwazi ukwenza ngenye indlela yabo bayabuya bafike ba dobha lezinto bathi fuck sitshona khona emabhunweni uyabona mfethu bangena kuborder yeBotswana neDidieng neSouth Africa kunamabhunu lapho ama farmers lapho mfethu bakangenele ekseni yakwazi lokhu by the time aqala bizana mfethu phela lamajita adubula tot ekseni yabona uPeter bambulala uOpa bambamba but bambulala sebambambile uOpa which was against the laws of engagement yabona into njengale yeah bambulawiswa yini uOpa trained in Iraq he was an explosive moving yabona into njengale yeah kusho ukuthi they never had a confrontation of this nature yabona kwathuthulwana ke lapho babulawa abo Uber yabo all right mababulawa abo Uber thina sesingayi yabo and engayiso ukuthi disadvantage ngoba nobody wants to listen to us yabona kukhona lento yokuthi abantu babuyiswa kusho ukuthi abantu abafele ngaphandle zonke lezo zinto yabo kube khona lo program ye NPA yabo sithi siyaya lapha bangafuni ukuyithatha into yethu ukuthi abo uOpa no Peter uOpa kwakose Emelo uPeter kwakowala eShawela you know ukuthi labo bantu saze sathola into yabo after 28 years to get it right angithi babulewe amabhuna abangcwaba lezi rust Poppers funeral abalahlela nje emgodini bashiya la phelile ama terrorist bafile yabo siphila kanje siyazi ukuthi man amajita asala la thina sesila eSouth Africa manje yabona si free but not free yabona ngoba iyama nje i-security branch yabo usathuthuthe ngelinye ilanga abangenela ngichathile ndoda ngisaceda kuchatha ngithi yabatenzani bathi hey basa seja life ayimlo yamguguru kuba lekwanami mfethu sengimixwa le Rustenburg ngithathwa ngolosine the whole Thursday Friday ngiyathotsharwa kuthiwa ya ngase ngithengisa utshwala laso sikhathi le okay into eyayenzeka ngabhayiswa yiyo lamajita we-MK yabo well ngangwazi yabo so oyi-1 wabo uJola Ibra uJola umntana wabo achoose wami yabo uDan yabo so ioledi likaDan lishonile yabona right siyongcwaba ioledi likaDan uDan angaapproach ateman umanje inja uzoba khona eBegrafini yabo and then uthe makangaze abonane nawe kusho ukuthi kungaba grand for yena ne yeah unobani ne uhamba nomunye umuntu akangishelanga ukuthi ubani ne man 10 mara uyabazi labantu mfethu ukuzimixa nalabantu man uyabona yeah ne hayi ne ku grand sizayi monitor i-situation yakhona hayi ngihamba ngekhumbi ke layithi ngekhumbi hawo siyafika emncwabeni siyama yabo yeah amangithi ngiyambona nanya lapha under the tree ubhobhile ngiyabona ukuthi wona ngimanje naya suka yama approach man kunjani Tembo ku right kunjani yana kushapha uyayibona le career uzongena kiyo ke ne ku grand hayi across naye afika ngene abhobhe yabo ungena uphethe ibag inyana la yabo hayi afika Didieng right sambe siyemangcwabeni yabo nasemangcwabeni afike aziposition nje hayi kungcwatshwe olweli likadeni kube hayi kuphelile siyabuya mase sibuya lana hey man kanjani sesiyabulisana though we are not in the same camp but we were at the same school, we know each other plus nangu isibara sikadeni yabo. Uma nje le back yakhe so na le Scorpion okhuluma ngaso bamba akhiphi SMG yabo submachine gun bamba akhipha ama cassette ay nami yagoqa lapho grand yabona mare something to do ne ANC ne sensitive kabi yabona ya ngiyamtshela naye futhi ngikhala kakhulu kudeni ukuthi man abantu laba man bangenzi lezi zinto lezi babuye la bazosikhomba man yabo okwamanje nje asazi nokuthi bangene kanjani la ecountryn yabona yonke leyo nto alright but ke abantu mabathi bakumishini ayikho nathi into esingayikhuluma senza lento esenzile alright sesiyanikwa sesi-armed yabo Scorpion editing SMG yabo two magazines no we are armed okwethu ukuthi siyothukusa yabona siyofihla hayi kuyahlala I'm sure kudlule 2 months mfethu ngangihamba khona la yabo awuceda ukudlula lapha eDD isikela samaroma lesiya yabo ngebottle store eRobert Sam yabo man mangithi khona eBraham babethu Sinjo umfana kaMnisi mawazi kaMnisi ngale angithi njengoba ungena kanje uthi lestrad nje lesi uSinjo wayehlala lapho yabo well is schoolmate yabo so wayese paralyzed ngihlangana naye uyathi watse ekhoneni yena mina ngizange emoto yabo mangithi anyambona ngiyayivala imoto man uyapi na hayi ngiyedladleni wone man asambe si Robert Sam ngizokushiya mangibuya yabo uyaziphonsa naye grand yabo nathi mangicetha nje kumlayisha ngisathi ngithi bona mangithi yo it's 3 liter mangisathi ngibona ngithi yo yabo manje mina ingqondo ithi ilaba botshwala yabona ngoba ngilayisha ama-empty la yabo hayi laba bayahlanya ila mangithi yo SB sengiyaphuthukelwa lapho ya what wena hey woza la ya ibheke green ibheke green angazibheke green mina hey woza la wena uzayikhipha le bheke green hey sengiyafoldwa lapho hey noSinjo sekayafoldwa lapho but uSinjo kwambona ukuthi ulimele yabona lady hayi great mara bamlalise ke mroka mina bangithathe sifike sishiye ikhumbi yami edideni igcwele ama-empty njalo sishiye Protea imilo yababaleka nami bangifake eRustenburg laba ongithoshera khona bangihlalela ngemfindi bangihlalela yabo hayi mina ngiloku ngithi ayikhona madoda angiyazi ibheke green engikhuluma ngayo bathi ya le moto le wena yini lesithi ngeke ngithi ngilayisha utshwala ngale moto man yiko kungana sitha ngithi uyayibona ikhumbi kumele ibe namasitha ngithi ngilayisha utshwala ilayisha ama-empty ngithi nayibona namanje ayina sithi nje ngoba ilayisha ama-empty namanga ulayisha ama-terrorist ngale moto manje ngicala ukufunda lapho ukuthi hey man labantu bakhuluma ngama-terrorist bakhuluma ngesikhwama futhi bangikhumbuza lapho yo njengoba bakhuluma ngesikhwama kusho ukuthi bangifuna bomanjintsha kahle hayi nami sengifaka manje intamo edideni manje emhlabathini ukuthi ayikhona lesikhokho sengisitholile sengizama nengisithathe sonke manje akusekho into engizaphinde ngiyivume ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi almost sengibahlulile kodwa bayaqhubeka khahlela man mfethu nje ukuthi uhlangane neANC into ze-ANC wazi ukuthi so eRobben Island straight yabona ngoba bazokuthatha bakumixe eRobben Island babe babophisane bodwa yabo okay ngiresiste leyo nto Saturday bangithatha bangisuse eRustenburg Saturday afternoon ntambama nje ngabo 6 bayangithatha ngiyalizwe elinye iphoyisa liya remarka labari munare ukenya msimeng njwale yabo ngiyasho ukuthi bakhulunywa ngemsima phela umgodi ukuthi niyokhutshelwa phela manje futhi kwaqeda kubaleka abanye abafana kwi-SB babasuse East Rand yabo bathi baza nabo la eProtea yabona riding kanti lamajita amabhoni azima sewa confident yabo aphethe neibhamu kanti lo mjita uzodonsa khona la wabamba lamabhoni yabona riding maka wabamba wabahlisa emotweni wabaleka hayi bahlanya kakhulu ke lapho enimuntu ebambambayo manje bakufaka ididingo phela njengoba ngithi ngeRustenburg ngemaskiwe iRustenburg nje itopography ne-geographical direction nje engihamba ngayo kuphela ukuthi siya e-west
ufake
isaka la angiboni khafiwe lana khafine ey'nyawo bathi nje salikak vandag ngiyabona ukuthi next Rustenburg kufikwa ngezwe manje ukuthi no la kuse-Sun City yazi indawo uma uyazi ngezwe ukuthi man there it could be Sun City but I can't see ukuthi kuse-Sun City ngisebenzisa nje ukuthi man le Sun City bangithatha bangisa security branch offices zakhona lapha eRustenburg bayangikhandaya mabaqeda ukungikhandaya lapho Saturday evening bangithatha bari bawungikenya emsimeni babaleka nami suke eRustenburg siye eZirust siyafika eZirust kumnyama mfethu kusebusuku hey man kusho ukuthi le ebangifake yona manje idideng ngafake izinyo yabo kodwa nje ngiloku ngiyidla njengegundwane manje ngiloku ngithi just nje yabo yanginika nje ilight encane nje yabona ukuthi yabo manje njengoba siza ngiya imagine ukuthi no man asi east meaning ukuthi asibuyele ekhaya sisuke eRustenburg ishunqa nami siya edideng eZirust yabo mayifika eZirust khona ibridge ke yaseZirust ibhaliwe 1889 iZirust yaka 1889 sebahangena nami khona lapha eZirust bangifaka kwenye ipolice station nakhona kwipolice station khona imoto ifika ya reverse iba nje straight nomnyango yabona riding mangehla nje ngikhunyelelwa amahana boys engale ngaphakathi same time kuyagcotshwa kumnyama kuna next into engathi light la ngifakwe khona ngisho ngithi lephoyisa lishilo ukuthi bangikenya emsimeni sengifuna nje ukuthi mangathola ingubo phela nginala 2.5 days ngingalala ubuthongo ngikhathele ngiyanya fune ngizwe ukuthi why ngathi ingubo lezi ngizidonsele lapha ngizindlala ngilale Saturday Sunday morning uyabo ngiyavuka kanti ngithi ngibheka ngewindow la ngasemuva ngiyabona ihlahla lapha manje ngithi man ngiseZirust mara nguphi la police station le ngoba ngiyazi uyabona la idea hayi nini kuvule kumnyango yabo le phoyisa lifake itiye limnyama nepapa nje elingathini liyangiphushela yabo ngithi man sorry baba konje njengoba ngilana yipi le police station le yabo nayathi man ngisaceda kufika mana ngiyazi kahle igama layo le police station asho avala umnyango ngibona ukuthi lenja ile ayifuna ukungitshela nix ngithathe le papa le ngibona ukuthi angeke ngilidle le papa ngilambile mara ngiphuze le tiye just nje ukuthi kube khona into engathi yalile phuze le tiye ngihlala sithi mazithi boma 2:30 bangene yona SB kom senya kum senyaboshwa futhi sengifakwa futhi lento kubalekwa nami ngezwe ke manje ukuthi cha ibhekese east manje ukuthi ngathi amabomba abheke ngasekhaya well baleka nami ke siyafika Protea sengiyafakwa kwelinye room la so ngiyahlaliswa manje man ikhanda lami liyaduma manje but ke sengizitshele nje ukuthi njengoba sengila kusho ukuthi ngibahlulile akusenanto ebangangidile ngayo yabona hayi kuye bavele kom sebaya nami edladleni uyabo senyafaswa ke la idea yangena class bangiletha ngehippo ba convoy yamadidi yama private cars about 14 yazo ihippo phambili ngapha emuva kubonakala ukuthi kuboshwe iterrorist elikhulu ndoda Sunday ndoda ngasekhaya mangifike edladleni bangene nami yabo bafike bachobe mabangena la bakhipha elinye cassette lika Miriam Makeba yabo welalibheniwe yabo ya ubani odlala lezinto ngithi cassette lami leli angi Luisi nokuyilwisa le nto cassette lami leli ya udlala into ezibheniwe awazi ukuthi isibheniwe lezi zinto wena what angithi mina angiyazi leyo nto leyo hayi grand basesha hayi abatholi ke lento ebangithi mhlambe bathi bayifuna yabo hayi well grand yabo manje la endladini lithe babona la side step yabo yeah hayi sengiyabona ukuthi olehlile lelaka ankeli yabo ngithi ne ithi ukuthi ngililalisa umoya ukuthi ne ngoba man abantu ba terrified mfethu ngiza namabhuna wrong lana man bangisabela nje lo ukuthi wena uza namabhuna wrong yabo cabanga agcwala istraat sonke leso kusuka lapha ngase shop ukuyofika lapha ekhoneni ndoda ya yimi phambili uyabona ngiboshiwe uyabona ngiyafika kamalume nakhona next door kamalume kwakunomsebenzi wamazayoni yabo mfethu ngabona amazayoni achitheka kungena amabhunu ndoda izinja zoboya obungaka yabona ziround indlu lapha kamalume but ngithi sister naba labantu makhona into yenzakalayo ngami ngihambe nalabantu lapha yabo mina ngizodraga la kwi-sister yabo hayi grand hayi jabo siyabona what ya phuma kulabantu man ya ngithi man labantu laba abahlanya laba man hawu khona manje baphuma ukuyongidotshara for call yabona nami ngiharle khati ke leso sikhathi ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi seyibhuntshile lento yabo yabona ready ngayi well grand nini kubuyelwa nami eProtea ngifike nginikwe ikari yami drag nama MT wami hayi ngiyastarta ngiyabuya ngikhathele man i-trip yokuya Robert Sam seyithathe 3 days ndoda ngiyabuya ngikhathele ngifike ngilahlela ikhumbi lapha yana ngingene ingubeni ngiyalala hayi khona angifuni ukuzwa ila mabhunu yabo well kwaya well yaze yasubside ke lento yokuthi baloku bazwakala abazofuna yabona lotho then kwangena manje another chapter ngithatha manje iyongifakela ukhopho ngiyohlala 10 years lapha yabo lapho ke sengithathwa yi-murder and robbery squad ngapha manje it's another book mina i-murder and robbery angiyazi ngokuyizwa or kanjani ngiyazi kahle njengoba ngokubonisa le ithombe ngilapha eSun City sengiphume lo Coop Maximum ngihleli 8 years lo Coop Maximum. The unfortunate thing about lo Coop Maximum, the most trusted maximum prison, ithi yo rehabilitator mina ngafike nga rehabilitator yona ngavala masake maximum isiboshwa esake saba se-maximum besazi nje ukuthi uyelo Coop yothunga amasaka yabo amabhunu bewagcilaza abantu ngokubathungisa amasaka lawa seposini yabona riding ayichitha leyo nto safaka iTV ubona iTV ikhona nje eziboshweni sayifaka eMaximum cala yabona into njengaleyo silwa nakhona but ke kwagcina manje kwatholakala ukuthi ne lo muntu bebathi bayomrehabilitate uye seka rehabilitator ijele ngaxoshwa ke Maximum njengoba sengilethwa la eSun City sengiyaxoshwa le ijele lisakwazi ukurana uyabona le kanivie di trong regier die fokon gevangen hè uyabona into njengalo ja hey man yabo hey amabhunu abona umhlolo man yabo abona umhlolo amabhunu ukuthi di fokon things lesini futhi mawuphuma eZambia mawuya le kusho ukuthi utshona eZimbabwe yabo eZimbabwe uSmith ubhizi naye ulwane didi nezano uyabona iZAPU ifana neANC iZAPU zitrain abantu uyazi ukuthi uChrisani wayexabana nabo ngayo lonto ukuthi wahamba wayotraina nale didini ahamba nayo coming back watholakala ukuthi ulwana ukuthi manje ufuna ukubuyela ekhaya and i-leadership yona ithi ne si-adopte ipolicy OAU ithi Zimbabwe first then Namibia finally South Africa yabo i-approach OAU then sasiyizwa thina sithi ne man i-struggle sethu cannot be determined by other events. Yabo singahlangana or sisebenzana or senzeni but ukuthi sizodeterminwa yilaba what if laba kumele balwe 50 years, are we coming to wait here for 50 years like exile? Yabo and sifeyisana manje nabo bani sifeyisana nalama time aphume ngo1960 ngishabville shooting. Yabo sewana 16 years ase exile njengoba thina sizofika. Uyabona ukuthi manje sekune contradiction ukuthi awu man nihlaleleni lethaneke lezi zinto sihambe singene thina sesilwile nalabantu ayikho into esiyisabayo sifuna ukubuyela back. No, a number ke of our comrades, especially Sowetans, lost their lives in those struggles. Uyabona ngoba makube nje hartebach yabo ublind usukubonise nalaba abanye. And by then ama camps we ANC they were almost empty. Uyabona aqala ukureviveka makucala kungena this did exodus yama June 16 students. That's when ke baqala manje ake the worst crime ongayicommit ku ANC ne. You are 17 years. Most of the guys were 17 years. We are upuma with your girlfriend. Ne, you join the ANC. No. Labaya obatolera. Abana about 16 years. They will make it a point to go to Baksusa. Bangaze baye to an extent yokuthi but ne man wena usona nalomuntu uzona kanjani nalomuntu hey umuntu usebenza namabhunu man mina ukuthi na manje mawusebenza nalomuntu na usebenza namabhunu uyakuyeka uchiri upowerless ene bamsusa nje yiso bamthatha it's either bazomfaka eLondon or bamfake in whatever colleges yabo bazenzeleke yabona leyo mfethu hayi was a rotten part of the struggle. Emfethu thina besinalo ukuthi mawunginike AK ngizodubula ngayo. Manje mangisephakathi eSouth Africa mawaphela amabullet we-AK ngizawufunela ukubuyela eRussia ngiyowalanda. It will be too far. That is why kumele ngithi mangena first weapon engiyifunayo ile ya R1. Yabona ngoba yona kiyo ngizothola isipamo ngiphinde ngithole ama bullet eduze. I don't need to buy okwami ukuthi ngioperate nje DDM. I understand mangikhuluma kanjalo. So not necessarily ukuthi they are this is not a boxing fight ukuthi there's a choice of weapon or what. Yabona laba bona babe spoilwa nje ukuthi iArsenal yayikhona ngobuningi kibo. But kungekho into ebayenzayo ngayo. You understand? Yabona. Khona manje ngikutshelile ngoTambo ukuthi nikhijima emva koTambo nicula ngoTambo nazi ukuthi uTambo inkokheli yena. But logically uTambo ngeke akhulula ahlale eLondon. Nangoke wahlala eLondon. Inkululeko yakho injani namhlanje? Akusuko uyiphikisayo. Owe asiyeke asikho lapho ngize la kule ka Solomon Mahlangu. Uyabona uSolomon Mahlangu is a victim baba. Uyabona le genga ka 76 mayida emakambeni thina sasingabo check no coast sesiyibonile Mosimpi uyini osafuna ukusitshela ngayo ngempi. Yabo mawukhuluma ngamabhunu thina siphuma kuyo sihlangene namabhunu ayasazi nathi asizwile. Okwakho nje ungasinika lezi zinto sambe sizokubonisa ukuthi senzani. But ngoba baphethe lo mqondo lona abakwazi ukuyenza leyo nto le. You understand? So we look like we are big-headed. Abanye basibiza ama-adventurous and all those things. We were adventurous when we started this thing inside the country and you were not there to support us. size siphuma la siza la nje ngoba sileka isupport if nina izinto beziseduze nesifakalana zona benizawuzwa into edlalwayo le ngalamabhono ngoba sesiwabonile ukuthi asebenza kanjani asichaphaza nje ngoba nako phela uyabona bazofundisa le ntwana zabo ukusniper uyabona yeah moving target uyabona kufundwa ngathi uyabona into njengaleyo while sibayazi ukuthi hayi siphethe idideng uyabona into njengaleyo manje ukhale inyembezi ukuthi ngabe bavela kanje ngisiphethe bengizobabonisa ukuthi kwenzekani uyabona kuye phela mfethu man amaqhinga ahlala zakha impi iya developer one way or another uyabona into njengaleyo yeah kwaqalwa ngomgodi ke kwaguthi trench yabo yasukelwa ngale hippo yathi yeza yabo into njengale sacala la sa retreat la manje country yabona sesinezibhamu esizionayo esizithathe kuphi emabhonweni ahlanya leso sikhathi amabhono manje lapho sewafuna individual manje anokelwa ebamtholayo bamsontela ukuthi yeye ikhuluma nje ukuthi abobani labo bantu sibathola manje yabona into njengale afuna le ibhamu yabona so uyabona manje ukuthi this thing is becoming bigger mase ngifuna istate sonke kusho ukuthi laba ngithola khona nengcono nami shift ngiretreat yes nase trenchini uyalala nase sontweni uyalala nase sihlahleni uyalala yabona na ku night shift eBaker uyabona bayasebenza abantu wena ulokuzula la ngathi uyasebenza nawe wena usebenzi umele nje ukuthi makusala kumele ngiyozifihla either estimate nokuhlala nje ufuna yabona ube kuthe nje neDD yabona so iScarlet Pimpernel manje yabona manje yeah well ke uyabona na ukuthi iroom yami yokumanuva seyincane so the best thing asiphumeni bafethu thina siphumi ngoba sesiziphumela nje no siphuma ngoba sesifila ukuthi no we are hot uyabona right basishayile sangcwaba saphakamisa izandla yabo angeke ngikutshelile ngoJackie Mashabane yabona uJackie Mashabane ulo engithi kwathutshulwa idide ngedolonqa phela amabhunu akenza into embi mfethu amabhunu ngo1976 ngo October or ngo September ngathi nje ngo October or September ekugcineni ka September uJackie ngenaye eBhara uyabona umfowabo uJackie Mashabane lo engithi wayephuma from Ongoye yabo so uphakeme le engoye babaxosha so ingoye ivaliwe uthola sila thina busy sesiphezulu sekuyiyo vele 76 yabo right manje sihleli siseBhara enye ibra yethu iyarenka so since uyarenka angeke siloku sihamba naye thina sesihleli la si2 siloku sizithengela whatever into esizithengela yona si analyzer isituation yabona ungiprefer nokuthi baxoshwe kanjani lena and all those things siyahlala the whole day just like sihleli kanje ntambama loya maseka acedile ukurenka yabona then sesizobuya ke sesihamba sonke ke siya ePelican siyozimanzisa ke uyabona kumnandi Saturday yabo manje kwenzekeni while sisikhuluma la noJackie kule viki kushaya indlu ka yabona mongaya kahle nendlu ka Credo Muthu ayashaka iwo lamalanga yabona nethi nje ukuthi amanye amadate wami kumele ngiwahlanganise kahle yabona ngathola but lelo viki kwakuyilo lelo viki mara kwakukhona umunye umfana wala wakalibilo wala izone 3 wayengcwatshwa ethutshuliwe during the week yabo so kugcwele bathi mababuya laso baya endlini yaka Credo Muthu abafike bachisa indlu ka Credo Muthu yabo uJackie ke siyakhuluma mara masesihlangana kusho ukuthi masesihlangana nalo wes3 sigcine sesikhuluma ngokuthi man kumele sibonane man yabo ngoba yena uhlala eDubi athi newe yazini ngolosibili angeke sibonane ngoba ngifuna ukuya edrobheni angithi usafika uphuma kwaZulu Natal eSigela uyabona so uyazi mawufika irotini yokuya edrobheni kusase idoroba njalo uyabona yeah irotini yokuya edrobheni uthi uyolungisa into zakho bekuyi-part and parcel of the deal uyabona athi ne ngolwesibili ngeke kulunge yabo ngoba ngolwesibili ngifuna ukuya edrobheni yabo into njengaleyo so the least asibonane Thursday yabo no athi asibonane Wednesday yabo ngithi ne hayi akunankinga sizothintana ukuthi ukanjani yabo asinamasel leso sikhathi so connecta lo maka edube uzawudlula kulo yathina le ndoda ikhona le wehla nami or ngikhuphuke nayo whatever way yabona right how Wednesday asibonane no Jake yabo hey man Vusi uphu udide uJake hey man uJake ngigcine since athe uzoya edrobheni and what yabo how yeah ngolosine ekseni uyangena umbiko uJake ushonile imagine how yeah kwenze njani bamphushile e10th floor eroom 26 eJohn Foster ufile hey how madoda just like kanjalo nje yeah hey sesithiri makari manje nalo makhelwane wami okay yeah ngelo lesathu uJake uyongcwatshwa ngoSunday uyabona mfethu ikhona imncwabo ngiyayibona ngayibiza yabo so bathina bosisulu abobani awukho umncwabo wako abangako eSoweto wangalelo langa wakaJake uyabona yaphuma yonke iSoweto mfethu yaphuma yonke kusho ukuthi kungekho moto yade zonke imoto ziyale kiwe emangcwabeni makufikwa eDoornkop baba ay eDoornkop mosi njengoba kwamangcwaba laphelela khona amangcwaba kuba necliffnyana lapha intaba uyabo yeah uthi umphakathi kuthiwe hey man niyababona balapha entabeni bathathe amaposition amabholo aphethe amarayifuli uthiwe la niyababona bathe man ningabanaki mana senzeni lento esiyenzayo kube yiyo leyo nto vele ngapha kuyaculwa uyabona kuyaculwa kwenziwani amfethu avela leza zinja zavela zihamba kanje sesideployile kusho ukuthi ziyayikhomba manje iDoornkop siwabambe kanje amarayifuli just like this ka thiwa yena ngabaleki man ningabaleki bayenza ayimfethu yashaya irifle yashaya irifle mfethu yashaya yazi eDoornkop kunemigodi yabo yabantu abangakangcwatshwa uyabona njengoba sihleli la abomagogo naba la mfethu bashamba omagogo bawela emgodini uyabona uVusi bamshala ngerifle amshaya yadlala isandla lesi yabona imshaye yabona afika ngeharafu ulwela kodwa hayi fok ngcono nisibulaleni kuyanyiwa leso sikhathi mfethu mina ngasuka about not more than 10 meters ngisuka la ngiya lapha yana isikontiri imoto naya ngiyayibona udriver seka ngaphakathi uyabona lonto yeah lo wehash angithi sinsimile ihash da ifamily car ihash ifike yashiya ibhokisi yahamba ifamily car imile la uyabo umele ukuthi kuphela umngcwabo makusuka lo yamrusi lo bamshala ngerifle ulala kanje steeringini uyaflop phezulu kwesteering yo kuyanyiwa mosman mangene emotweni seyihamba kulandele enye intombazana la mfowethu yabamba le ntombazana eminyango imoto seyahamba ayakhala amajita lathe bafuna thina kusho ukuthi bafuna youth leso sikhathi mfethu yenzani irifle igcwele iDoornkop yonke le yabo ayile mntwana wayiyeka imoto wawa ngam cila lapho nami yabo my next destination it was Tuesday akungene eBarakwana abantu abadutshulwe kudlame ababonwa yabo but ngoba ngangithengisa amaphepha eBarakwane iWorld neStar at some stage ngiyayazi routine yaseBarakwana yabo ngifike ngisnike ngene ngize ngifike emahotini ngiyamthola uVusi bamdlenge irifle isandla siyalenga lapha mangimbheka ngihlengesela inyembezi ngithi hayi ndoda ubonile ukuthi kunjani basilande emangcwabeni manje so asayingeni indaba yabo mina ngiyahamba wena uzosala ubatshela la ukuthi mina ngiyahamba uwe kuphela umuntu engimtshelayo ukuthi ngiyahamba ngithi ubonile babulela uJackie so I cannot allow ukuthi babulale mina wena uyabona ukuthi unjani bakuxhwalisa ngiyahamba mina ngamshiya kanjalo uvusi ngimshiya esibhedlela bengilibhekise ebuswana kusho ukuthi sengiyaskipa mangithi ngiyahamba kusho ukuthi sengiyaskipa ngiyaphuma ecountryn manje because we can no longer sustain this thing uyabona ngapha siyakhala zipipa ne-ANC azikho masifika ngale bathi yena phula sithi laba basihlanyela bathi phula sithi yena niyayazi into yenzeka lapho ukuthi nizitshela masithi ababheka sithola ukuthi bancebelekile ngempela bona balokhu baculela ke lona leculo lokuthi Zimbabwe first according to OAU charter Zimbabwe first then Namibia finally Azania sithi thina sinothatha ama-orders kuma-reactionary njengabo Diding awu njengabo Kaunda well ke enye into njengoba ngikutshela ngeincwadi ngale mfethu uyabona when it comes to literature kusho ukuthi ngayi-amasa ngiyifuna vele ngi-enthusiastic uyabona there was no dull moment manje in-background angani uyayifunda uyi-one une-chance yokuthi enye into uyifunde seniyidiscussa nidide ngoba every day kuya-analyzwa uyabona ama-newspaper yasikwa every topic ekhona ephepheni yenziwa relevant kuyakhulunywa ngayo ibekwe in its proper perspective yabo international situation up to date progressive and reactionary elements or countries uzazi njengoba uzazi ene mfethu ke laba ke be-BCM bona ke yibo abantu abasibhacisa ukuthi chance ngeke ibe khona lempi enihlongo zayo if beyizoba khona ngabe seyikhona hawu madoda nithini manje chance ANC angithi nayibona can you fight from America can you fight from from Britain no Britain the best that they can do for you ukukunika scholarship then bakunika scholarship uamaseke lawo ma MPC wakho ukuthi waphethe then uzobuya ke ufuna ukuzosiyorizela la uyabona into njengaleyo ene manje so i-conformist more than i-revolutionary uyabona into njengaleyo uSolomon Mahlangu wayesingezwa ne-commander angithi uzwile ukusicale kanjani ngibuzile ukuthi man impilo yakho ucale kanjani yabona uSolomon Mahlangu he's a product ye June 16 uprising right he joined the ranks of the ANC and I believe ukuthi uSolomon Mahlangu wazithathela nje isibhamu ekambini waphuma wathuze South Africa wavelelwa ilento wavelelwa yiyo angithi kunjalo now why there is no accountability behind that angithi une commander umuntu wamnika iobdrag ukuthi aphume angithi and then uyi-commander yakhe njengoba uyu umuntu mhlambe owaye mtrainer or waye phambi kwakhe maka trainer angithi kunjalo so he knows almost everything about him angithi kunjalo ngithi nayo ke leyo nto seyibe abortive ne ufile manje uMahlangu waze wanqunywa nezingane ezicula ngaye lana zibona ukuthi ihero yazo asali vele umuntu ofele kumzabalazo ufanele ukuthi simthathele kopdu but akumelanga singahlali si-interrogate indaba yakhe ukuthi ufile kulungile but ukuthi ufa kanjani uyabona yabo angithi commander kumele isitshele ukuthi yamtrainer and then yena azanga follow up ama regulations ngendlela right hence kwaba naleso diding speakongo no kahle angithi istory sabo Mahlangu bathi bebayi3 yabo and then lo wabona iveni yamaphoyisa idlula angazi wabajithari or wenzane wangathi ufuna ukubaleka or wenzane wa draw attention laba ukhona omunye ke bathi uMhlungu waseBloemfontein uceda kufa I'm sure about 3 years back uMhlungu yena bamshaya waba icabbage from that day azange ame nase court azange ufe ayicabbage angakhuluma ngenze nix yaphela la impilo yakhe uyabona le right lo ke basala naye yabo naye lo uzwa bathi hayi wadrishwa ididenga umkhulu webhono uyabona wababona beza begijima umkhulu webhono wathatha umthanyelo wawufaka lana waboshwa kanjalo uyabona la le uSolomon Mahlangu uyabona kusho ukuthi bangena ku warehouse ube uza nabo bagijimisa masongena lana uthola khona abantu lana mari laba baza ngaphandle baza bayashaya kuze kube nama casualty la uyabona yabo bambambe uSolomon Mahlangu bambamba sekunemeda or amameda ithula enziwe amaphoyisa ijaji mayigweba igwaba ngokuthi idesi yalabantu ikhoswe ipresence yakho not therefore ngigaya intambo umuntu ongazange abulale umuntu yena isono sakhe isolo sokuthi wayephethe leso sibhamu somkhondo mhlawumbe uyabo this is a war and then iwar ifika to a stage sangithi sekunegotiatiwe kuphelile siya understand le mfihli ye classified info but khona information irrelevant ingasi secret information uyabona maybe ukuthi ngithi ngabulala ibhono eCalabash eLobatsi lase South Africa uyabona into njengaleyo I can't talk it to anybody leyo nto because bangangithuthisa nabatswana bebazongibamba bangibuyise back to quick uyabona into njengaleyo so akusinto into ngathi into olala phezukwayo right namhlanje sibuyile mos commander Ndini whether wayenza ngendlela right or yabhuntsha into owamenzisa yona lamfana awuyowina iSouth Africa ididing awuyowina iSouth Africa explanation ukuthi lo muntu lo wafikela kuwe wayotrain endaweni enjena isikhathi esingaka wabuya namdeployer endaweni ethize iland is a non-negotiable aspect of this struggle no mawungathi negotiator for iland kusho ukuthi soyasithengisa istruggle a question of land is non-negotiable because it is clear historically ukuthi amabhunu asuka azothatha umhlaba la neBritain yangena yacolonizer saba ama-subjects wabo labo bantu labo yabona so to reverse that situation it was a or into eyayenza ukuthi abodaki bathathe ibhamu against ingamla ukuthi ingamla mazifika bazi accept bona bacabanga ukuthi abantu yabona mina according to my understanding and my experiences kiyo yonke lo mzabalazo engohambile into engiyiconcludayo ukuthi conspire against the people base South Africa in many forms usubuke wayibeka ukuthi Europe for Europeans, Africa for Africans, India for Indians. However, those that conform to our principles and respect our principles, we will accept them as visitors. You understand? So there's no racism there. Kubekwa nje ama dynamics clear. But because imperialism bengayifuni kanjalo, that is why it did not work. That is why namhlanje PAC uyibona largely ije or yaphela ngalendlela eyaba yiyo nama efforts wayo where I'm struggling and everything. PAC le authentic 6 besikhuluma ngayo yayisho ukuthi kiwo wonke lama countries ase Southern Africa i6 athi are involved kwi liberation struggle. iZimbabwe, iNamibia, iAngola, iPAGC, iMozambique neSouth Africa. Yabo. So njengoba bayi6 kanje apart from ukuthi bayi6 ithingithi ama country i6 kuna two liberation movements who share who have two different perspectives struggle. In South Africa, PAC emphasizes on lead, which disturbs manje imperialism. You understand? Angola, they wanted to go to MPLA kube yiyo because it's supported by the Soviet Union. In Namibia, same thing, kwabulawa iswanu. In Namibia, kwabulawa iswanu, South Africa, kwabulawa idide. PAC, Angola, kwadidengwa. Angola kwavuka civil war. Hence, wonke ama-forces, they fought it to the leading. Yaphela ngale ndlela yaphela ngayo ke leyo civil war yase-Angola njengoba ubona i-MPLA kuyiyo in power. You understand? Yeah. And then ukubelonga ku-Authentic 6 kusho ukuthi uthole assistance nani from Russia. Uyabona? So anybody ongekho kuleyo group kusho ukuthi akana chance yokuthi angathola one influence in some of these countries. Uyabona? Algeria besides thina ukuthi ngeke uthole i-assistance because i-Algeria belongs to ANC. Uyabona? Yeah. Amachita we-PAC ayazi ukuthi hayi laphayana ne thina uGaddafi uyo ozwa indaba yethu uyasupport uGaddafi phela zangayikhile noma bakhuluma ngeke ubezwe bakhuluma ngokuthi uGaddafi wabanika ibhamu. No, uGaddafi wanika lamachita wethu lawo beza ne-PAC amalile amakambo da atrainer ke awethu ama-commander atrainer da. But manje kuthe sekutrainiwe kwatholakala ukuthi man i-PAC nayo iphethe enye manje into laba abangayizwisisi ukuthi man chance man, this is not a conventional warfare esiyoyilwa la. Therefore ukudrilla nokuphatha ukukhuluma ngeibhamu ezinkulu vat it's not relevant. Thina into esiyizelela sifuna i-guerrilla warfare so that sizokwazi ukuyi-implement that. You understand? South Africa. Yabona la idea. Kwa tholakala ukuthi kuba ne-departure manje between understanding ye-PAC ne between amachita asedladleni la ahambe ne-PAC bayotrainer eLibya. Sebayaxabana manje la ngoba laba bathi man le training thina sithola yiso yiso kunamachita wama-Palestinian ayatrainer abantu abalwa i-guerrilla warfare. Nayo into esiyifunayo thina. Hayi le yokuvuka ekuseni siya yabona yankokheli yabona yonke leyo yabona and khona abantu abathrive out of yona ukuthi bona bayinkokheli ba i-general engakazi yolwa yabona or yakuyathuma nje nomuntu oyedwa yabona i-general nje ye-theory. Most of the generals into njengaleyo ngoba i-general masikhuluma ngo-General Tongagara sikhuluma ngabantu abayaziyo i-battlefield abazange bathumele eGundwane. Yabo manje lezi zakithi hayi khona mfethu khona abanye babaleka since babaleka amabhunu whether ngo-60 or ngo-76 azange aliphinda libone lelo bhunu. Uyabona ayelibalekela. Yabo nase-London mhlambe makahamba uyafanisa nje ukuthi hayi lo ngathi ufana nebhunu mari into ekuthiwa ibhunu hayi lento athulwa nayo akasayazi ukuthi sekayibona ngokufanisa. You understand? Babuya la. Yabona angithi nababona behla ema-airport ama-guerrilla njani ahle e-airport ziphi ibhamu zama-guerrilla behla seba ama-civilian ngathi bekwa ama-tourist. Yabona airport kuyaphungazela madoda kanti kwenzekani lana namadoda. Well thina sesiyazi ukuthi i-conspiracy iyaqhubeka. Yabona yeah, status quo hayi as long as kungazange kwenziwe la ama-fundamentals ku-addresswa wona nothing is going to get right here. Yabona into njengaleyo and yasiprova correct i-history. Yabona lonto lento thina sayitshelwa sifika ngaphandle sayiboniswa sayi-understanda sa-adopta yona. Yabona sazi ukuthi i-ANC ngeke ilwe inga negotiate ya ngeke. I remember one time sikwenye hideout yethu omunye ulungisani lo ngithi umama wakhe kwakuyi principal yaseJD uyageza ulungisani use bathroom yabo manje thina sihleli la ngaphandle wena kuhlala kudiscuss political yabo plus ne nostalgia sikhumbula edladleni but sikhumbula ngokuthi sidiscuss kuze kungene iissue yokuthi man uMandela amabhunu bangamrelease uyabona umuntu usuggest ukuthi man amabhunu bangamrelease uMandela uyabona la link ulungisani imdiya wayeka amanzi la waphuma ebathroom wathi vat kanti singamagero lokwenzani thina masingamiyeka uMandela wa release amabhunu uzosithengisa kumele yazi abantu behithi awazange amrelease amabhunu amrelease azange asithengisa wasithengisa so apha mangawa bomgedeza wabulawa yihipho kumgedeza bamdubula very militant umdubula ushawa ngokunzunza singamandebele yeah but masizithakazela kusho ukuthi vele singama Swati though angithi uyazi musi beku ukuhamba kwabantu then and then ke kukhona lamandebele bathi amandebele kanzunza yabo la fika settle Eastern Transvaal yabo yeah angithi masikhumbula bathi the last king yamandebele are united before ahlukana kwakuwumusi yabo but umusi makushona yena amadodana akhe ahlukana kwaba khona unzunza nokekana hence mawuya up north kukhona amandebele bathi waka kekana yabo bona mabakhuluma bathi bayasumayela yabo amandebele kakekana kula kuphuma khona abantu bakaMabhena uyabona ya amakhosi wakaMabhena ongaphuma lapho yabo yeah yabo abonzunza yilaba ba settle la Eastern Transvaal yabo yeah yiwo futhi laba boku accommodator umzilikazi kaMashobane makabaleka le ufika athole lapha yana kukhona inkosi ebathi uSibindi inkosi yamandebele by then uyabona into njengaleyo afika bulale uSibindi ayenze le auction ayenzayo ke njengoba uzwa sebathi umzilikazi kaMashobane naye ngithi makafika le bathu indebele eZimbabwe uyabona but sazi kahle ukuthi umzilikazi wayele eyinduna kaShaka yabo ngokuhamba ke waba adventurous wabona ukuthi no ngalebutho analo makabheka asiza the surrounding ngabona ukuthi no man laba ngaba usta yabo abulala inkosi kube uyi inkosi but waqhubeka ke njalo ngalawo ma adventures wakhe wazayongena kusho ukuthi uye ukufike la zinza khona angithi manje ufika ungena ngeRockshin uyabo kunamakhosi la waseZimbabwe we Monomotapa Empire uyabo yeah yena makangena ngeRockshin ufika uDisturber leyo setup but in the furthest part of the present day Bulawayo uyabona into njengaleyo if I'm not mistaken there was King Lobengula yabo that time yabo and then makafika amaroda da athatha over uset up isizwe samandebele uba indebele because ufike la eMandebeleni yabo makabulala boSibindi uthatha bonke abanye abantu ukhuphuka nabo sekuyibutho lakhe mangithi uyigeneral vele from le yakashaka uyabona but manje sekanama ambitions expanda independent of uShaka yayibona into njengaleyo yeah umzilikazi kaMashobane uKhumalo la kuphuma khona abantu bakaKhumalo naye uphuma lapho umsilikazi yabo uza nama lona la wena ngithi manje maso inkosi so uyashada isibaya sekwesakho yonke into inkomo uthumbile mos uyabona so nawe uthola manje ukuthi labantu ozenabo even though ninqobile but I majority yabo in fact seba minority manje kulabantu laba enibathumbayo la uyabona and ama dialects ne cultural activities yabo lezi yazale awusazenzi uthola lezi la uyabona so joina lezo and ilanguage ke iyo eba quicker than anything else yabo so indebele yabo ukhuluma isindebele whoever ohlangana naye so nesikhathi wahamba le bini kwaZulu yabo ama dialect wakwaZulu sekuyi bits and bits ngoba so dominatewa ila manje wesindebele yabo into njengaleyo and then ke nabantu ohlangana nabo ngale so ukhuluma isindebele hence baku identify as indebele yabo into njengaleyo mina I'm a bona fide ya se number 5868 Orlando East. My parents happened to come from Mpumalanga, so I heard, and then my father, they apparently did not want to work under Amabhunu emaplazini, so they came to Eben, and then in coming to Eben, they settled somewhere in Emasheltasi, what they used to call Emasheltasi. It was a ghetto before Orlando was constructed as a location. They used to call them a shanty town. Uyabona la kuyi shanty clinic khona Orlando West. Ushukuthi angithi you go below the station and then when you go upwards so ya Phefeni. Yabo ePhefeni ngathi uya eSide la seUncle Tom's Hall. Mawukhuphuka ngalo area uyabona istream lesi iClebrefiri above sona that whole area right up to le phezulu that was ama shelters yabo that place was called the shanty town yabo and then people kusho ukuthi ke as a person uqala ukuthi organize abantu ukuthi kune need yokuthi kube khona location ebathi Orlando which is 90 years old today yabo uJames Sofa Sonke Mpanza uJames Sofa Sonke Mpanza was a civic leader. He came from somewhere la KwaZulu Natal yabo emagcekeni ala KwaZulu Natal yabo apparently wa settler mare uye oqala ukuthi organize abantu wa former what we call Sofa Sonke Mpanza Sofa Sonke party kwakuyi party yaka James Sofa Sonke yabo so maka organize abantu and then he took the initiative yokuthi the white establishment particularly business corporates and so forth good man these people they work for you there but where they stay it's not conducive therefore launch a campaign to build houses for the people and then ngizothi councillor of that time white councillor of that time ya oblaja nama business people yakhiwa iOrlando as a location manje it's only then abantu bakwazi ke ukuhlala to these two-roomed houses besuka emasheltersini ibulk yabo babesuka emasheltersini bahlale eOrlando so Yiko ke uzwa bathi mabakhuluma ngePirates bathi izimnyama zikaMakhebhula ezaKhebhula umhlaba kaMasipala yabona because he forced this issue yokuthi abantu bathole indawo yabona lonto yena uMakhebhula kahle kahle umpanza so ke le ndawo yakhula ke to a point yokuthi yonke lo drive yalidela ukuthi because it's a recognized community manje yabo kwafanele ukuthi kube khona amahholo ikolo and all those things yabo the Orlando High as it is it came 1939 angithi Pirates came 1937 the Orlando High was built in 1939 2 years after Iphigania yabo I happen to be the son of a blockman yabo a blockman ibonda yabo my father was isibonda saka Makhebhula and my father used to run a coal yard yabo and njengoba arana a coal yard next to Mlamlankunzi station there yabo so it had stables yabo now ubaba uMpanza he had his own stables in his own yard lapha 96 something eOrlando yabona into njengaleyo awakhe amahashi were not for running coals no bekwa amahashi we races yabo he was the first man mina engimaziyo ogna stable samahashi namahashi races and how it used to go about kusho ukuthi manje kunabantu abasuka kubo Friede yabo who were also owning amahashi yabo whether they used to go baye kuma auction bayothenga lamahashi angasagijimi or yabo party they were race horses yabo into njengaleyo so maka kusho ukuthi mabakhembula kuza igenge from Friede angazi where else again yabo but nalaba yana bazaza maybe baza ngamahasha i6 yabo we races now azonida i-table yabo i-accommodation yabo that's how ke le ecoliyard we would take out lamahasha sekhaya yabo and then accommodate lawa ke for the duration ye-race i-race will take place bazoza maybe 2 weeks before i-race yabo bahlale lana yabona baye nase eKliptown yabona eKliptown i-race course yabo in fact I think it where they used to race it was lapha eKliptown yabo if I have to give you i-direction manje ukuthi iphimvile endala so kusho ukuthi there was a track race there yabo not efana nale yaseTarfantin yabo but it was a space nje because there was ground futhi yalapha eKliptown kusho ukuthi i-area beyigijima kanje yabo ngapha iphimvile yabo ngapha eKliptown yabo around eKliptown yabo present day yabo Besta yabo kwakuyiphimvile yonke leyo ndawo neKliptown well I was young anyway yabo yeah ngwazi kanjalo ke amahashi wakababa uMpanza the other one engil remember ukuthi khona babathi uMountain Top yabo yeah uMountain Top mina kusho ukuthi amajoki manje wakababa uMpanza khona umfana kababa uMpanza babathi ubomvu yabo uyeke esasiclose kuye ngoba yena uye wayegibela uye kwakuyijoki nalapha makuyo raciswa uye ozoba behind iyasho yabona but uyazi ukuthi masiyanga ele racist siyala admire hey man ngoba siyawagibela nathi lawa la ekhaya siyalifuna le mari ku strict ngaleli ke uyabona ngoba li currency so to say yabona kuzokhijinywa ke i-race take place ama spoils ke ya share whatever way wena ngiyazi ke lo transaction but ke at the end of the day masebahambile laba base Friede then come back ke sibuyela back to normal awasestalini amahashi abelonga la yabo mari i-connection yakababami no Mr Makhebhula kwakuyiyo leyo ukuthi uyi-blockman yakhe yabo so he was a regular man yabona njengoba ngokutshela ukuthi kuyisofa sonke party uyabona itime ayiblockman so kunama meeting abanjwayo la conflict resolution but I'm not aware yabo mara mina bangithatha for scriber uyazi mawuphuma ka standard 2 so I writing seyikhona yabo and ka standard 3 kusho ukuthi so ya stylish yabo plus thina besabhala nange stock pen ke yabo manje mawuphethe iball pen ngathi uphethe umchini uyabona manje I stock pen bo ucomboze inking but rewriting yalapho yes yabo so occasionally bekuthiwa zwakala awuzobhala la ngibhale ku dictate uyabona ngibhale bayifunde babe yabo so kusho ukuthi meeting situation ngibona from lapho though ange understand fully and angeke ngithi ngi-involve though ngiya participate ngoba naku ngiyababhalela yabona yeah some correspondence ngiyabafundela abantu abadala yabo right yabona ke manje futhi ke thina abanye ihistory sinebhadi njalo isithola it's either sifika ikwi-transition ethize sifanele ukuthi sizifithe sizi-adjuste to i-situation ethize i-AZAPO as an organization ayikakafonywa kusa-operator ama-auspices wani weSASO Black Consciousness Black People's Convention angithi right and then ngo-1977 kuzofomeka manje i-AZAPO uyabona darling in the event yokuthi yonke i-political activity incanyuliwe manje angithi ne-SSRC ididengiwe ibheniwe yonke umuntu manje abanye base exile uyabona i-AZAPO is reconfigurated ukuthi is former as Azanian People's Organization mina ngisase kuyi isandwana Revolutionary Front but si product yayo ipolitics ye-AZAPO before iba i-AZAPO yabona nje ngaleyo by the time iba i-AZAPO nathi but ke thina angithi sifike kudala la e-exile sesifike to a point yokuthi sesize simuvile uyabona right not under the auspices ze-AZAPO by then uyabona mari sesifakile i-element yedideng ye-abstractile uyabona i-shooting sesi-engagile la e-South Africa ngale capacity ne-capability esiloku sinayo la eBotswana siyifihlile uyabona impi yethu nabatswana izoqalaphi impi manje iyabona abatswana bayabona ukuthi man le force le is becoming a force uyabona and emayiloku ilusi kanje iyasididizisa sifuna ngapha nangapha yabo asibathatheni labantu sibafakeni edukwe hence the Dukwe camp uyabona into nje ngaleyo and thina as a group siyayirefuse leyo nto ngoba we've got a lot to defend la uyabona mawusimixe edukwe uyosenza ama cannon fodder and manje at the same time usivala manje ukuthi sikwazi ukucontinue ngoba thina abantu abangenayo besimthola simfake omunye afike sithe manje sikhulu kunjani na ku right kunjani yeah yini na wabalana hayi man amabhunu amabhunu kanjani silalele thina uyabona sibona ukuthi imambana iwakwatele lamabhunu hayi ukuthi bese gijinyiswana but iwakwatele ifuna ukubona kwenzeke uyabona bese siyangena vike ukuthi hayi man yazi yiso ngathi sesiba ningi too much ngayi and mase sifika ngada sizothola kunganabantu abafana nawe esingakwazi ukuthi sicale lento nabo so wena ngoba awuxabananga nabo hamba uqinisele uthule thina sizoyiphepha apha lento uzobona uyabona sekangenile lo muntu uthi yena sekase exile kusase maybe 2 days 3 days sesiyamthwala futhi siyamfaka phakathi ecountryn indoda uhambe kahle uhambe kahle uyahamba uyoxoxa into angazange ayibone ukuthi hey hlangene nabanye abantu kunje bangitshele kanje yabona manje uyamobilize at the same time yabona yeah but thina nje into ebesinayo ileyo ukuthi we cannot allow ourselves ukuthi siyohlala le sirusele le ku Tanzania yabona into njengaleyo no that was not our idea. Our plan of action was to fight the war from eBotswana yabona. Moreover i-enemy yethu ayikho eSouth Africa kuphela, eBotswana ikhona i-enemy. Abo McNamara neStandard Bank sikhuluma ngama imperialist institution. Angithi manje sisakhuluma ipolitiki le yaka Standard 2 manje. Sesikhuluma higher level. Yabona? I-America siyayazi role yayo, i-Soviet Union siyayazi role yayo, ama countries are positive na. Izolo yazi khona la bengilala khona ngicabanga ngithi hey man. I wonder ukuthi uJoseph Tito wase Yugoslavia. Yabo? Before it disintegrated kuba Czechoslovakia and what
kuba ama Balkans.
Yeah, yabo. In fact badaga ama Balkan areas. Yabo? And then by balkanize ke ididing yona leya idea. Mara kwakhona Yugoslavia ke the bigger idea next to Soviet Union. Ngapha iSoviet Union mayiphethe abo Estonia nabo banibani nabo Ukraine lapha. Yabo ngoba uwani wa train eUkraine wani uChrisani got his military training eOdessa. Yabona njengoba uyibona iOdessa seyidume kangaka ukuthi ngathi ifuna ukuhlaselwa kanjani abo wani bathola imilitary training yabo la. Ileader yase Yugoslavia kwaku Joseph Tito. Abo Joseph Tito neIran ne Albania kwakwama so called non-aligned states. Non-aligned states ivuka from kuphi? Ivuka from the concept yokuthi here's the Cold War. Others fall within the Russian conglomerate.
Communist.
Yeah. And then kona abafola under America. Under capitalist. Yabo. So lama forces ayi-2. Yabo, abo Joseph Tito bona baya trade nalaba but abafuni contradiction in between. Bathatha istand sokuthi bona bangama non-aligned. Beyibanjwa i-meeting ye non-aligned. Kusamele ngiresearch kahle nje ngizwe ukuthi konje by the way in fact izolo khathi ngicabanga ukubuza omunye umngane wami uDenda ukuthi imane konje i-non-aligned movement yaphela kanjani yaphelelaphi phele nini yabo ngoba nathi angithi lokho uyabuza ukuthi manje nina benikuphi ke leso sikhathi thina kulama politics sagcina sesizibiza ukuthi in fact yibo bese basibiza ukuthi ngama non-aligned yabona ngoba sifuna ukuzi-aligna namuntu yabona into njengaleyo and the contrary here ukuthi khona omunye uyafika bafika abayi-2 bayangazi bahlala la elokishini hey man kunjani hey sanifikile madoda ya hey man manje hey thina sifuna ukuzwa next sifuna ukubamba isibhamu somkhonto yabona labantu engihlala nabo endlini la bathi hey man naba labantu bakho bathi bafuna ukubamba isibhamu somkhonto well thina la sihlala khona asifuna ukuthi sizicommit ngokuthi hlala nathi ngoba konje no thina sithi hayi mawusazifundisa imeko ungahlala la kithi mayikusuta uzocontinue nathi mara sikubonisa nix yabona into njengaleyo at the same time mawubona ukuthi ufuna ukudlulela phambili nalapho sizoku yabo nawe icontrast kuba kuphi iba ekuthini naba manje senifike ni2 yabo alright senilele la 2-3 days sanibekela ukuthi hayi chance last phila kanje la kunje thina singabo bani uyabona sinitshela okurelevant kini yabo nina manje yabheka nithi hayi man akukho ibhamu lapha mose nina nifuna isibhamu manje angithi nathi safika sifuna isibhamu kanjalo but saba nendlela esikhulu yafiswa ngayo manje makube wena ufika usifuna isibhamu namhlanje hayikhona angeke silunge noma siyiphetha angeke sikunike ngoba asikwazi ukukunika sicala ukuhlangana nawe wena sofuna akumele kutholakale uthole le campus le ezokunika ideology yakho iku drive yabona into njengaleyo okay thola ukuthi manje kuthiwa hayi amajita athi ne nqanda lamajita athi afuna ukuyapi yabo makuba athi afuna ukuya kuPoqo ngizawathatha ngwamikise kuPoqo ngwafike ngwashiye kubo Rivers abo Johnson eMlambo nabo David Sibeko yabona ako asina contradiction. It's just that Tina, we are not members of PAC and they know it. But however, they want us to be members. However, they also appreciate the presence yethu ngoba asikho antagonistic to bona. Ne-ANC kunjalo. Mawuthi wena manethi nifuna ukuyobamba isibhamu somkhonto. Bazothumela hamba nabo ke uyobashiya kumkhonto. Manje inhliziyo yami ibebhlungu kuphi ke manje? Sengiyanishiya la. Yabo abo Snuki Zikalala nabo Keith Mkwapa. Yeah, uSnuki Zikalala he was a chief recruiting officer. Labantu engikhuluma ngabo kuBheki noMathe bathathwa yimi ngabanika uSnuki. Endlini kukhona uKeith Mkwape, kukhona noCraig Williamson. Uyamazi uCraig Williamson? Number 1 spy samabhunu esangena ku-ANC. ANC yasithatha yaze yasifaka kubo Soviet Union yasifaka kuphi waphuma outright ukuthi yabona our men in Moscow uKruger ngikhumbula sho njalo athi our men in Moscow aqhomela iANC ukuthi hayi lo muntu nini wathi hey is our man loyo man usebenzela thina ene ngempela sekubonakala ukuthi benilisaphi ibhuti busy nanigijima nama-liberals la naku liyayehla manje yabona into njengale but ke ngoba kwakuyi-conspiracy eyi-1 wena mfethu you couldn't sift and see kahle ukuthi actually who's your real enemy, who's your real friend. Uyabona into njengale but ke asikho lapho sila ekuthini alright sengiyanishiya la awusinike usikalala njengoba sihleli bazawususa itafula elisuka lapha mfethu baloku babemenza amanye amantombazana athi hayi sisanokutya apha sisanokutya afikile ama-guerrilla uyabona into njengaleyo dayite bangithathela koptu ngumngane wabo omkhulu uyabona no baphethwe yini ukuthi angijoyini i-ANC mara ngisebenzele i-ANC according bona well nami hayi ukuthi ngijoyine ngisebenzele i-ANC nami ngifeza into efunwa yini uyabona into njengale only ukuthi iqondana nami ngoba naku phela amajita athi nazi mina so nami yini ekumele ngimikise lapha yana mangifika house bali kunjani yekho right kunjani sibali yeah no hayi ngiletha ama-guerrilla lana afuna ukubamba isibhamu somkhonto just like that yeah uzobona umunye ukhiza phuma ngale hawu sanibonani comrade uthi uyabona nangu uCraig Williamson la phuma kwelinye room uyabona sekuyahlala la etafuleni uyabo hawu man ya comrade lethana ukudla lapho man ahla ama-guerrilla ibuffet yabona ibuffet le oyidla makune conference kuphi baletha yona la in an ordinary meal ibuffet thina la sihlala khona phela ukhumbule khona into engakutshelanga yona la ukuthi kuyo yonke lento le thina survivor nge-20 rand 20 pula kule 20 pula kumele sithenge ukudla kumele sibhadale rent kule 20 pula and the only way ukuthi ngaba effective ukuthi sihlanganise ama-20 pula ubheza hamba yobhadala rent kuthengwe ama-basics impuphu nani impuphu ukuthi sikwazi ukupheka ipapa or umdoko shukela yabo ibisi ke hayi ilaxury baba akusinto esidila ngayo yabona into njengale yabo bona bandlala ibuffet mawuthi uhlaba ngapho ubona ukuthi nemani ngathi ngilate ngapha ubona ukuthi nalana uthi ngisebenze khona ubona ukuthi mangokubheka ngithi sisemsebenzini ndoda siyodla mfethu sisuthe sithi sesisuthi bakhiphe 2 angazi bizana iCross ama-20 ayi-10 yabo ikhathini bakhipha ikhathini bakhipha amakhathini ayi-2 we-Rothmans hey comrade bamba comrade sebenze kanjalo comrade fathi wabona kumnandi nje nalaba abantu esizobashiya la nabo babona ngathi hayi mos bayazana nalabantu hawu sebahleli ke bona balindele ukuhanjiswa yabona hayi grand before siphuma uSnuki or uKeith 1000 sinika 1000 angithi sihamba siyi-2 siletha abantu abayi-2 1000 sesifaka esikhwameni siyaphuma sibuyele emajiteni uyabona. But consciously kuba ngathi yini slave trade or bayibizani no recently ngoba ngathi straight ngabantu trafficking uyabona manje ngoba sinishile yabo wena nathi 1000 usinika 1000 hey imali eningi kabi kithi leyo man sekuyi 2000 ngoba siyi2 yo siyayithatha le mali sofika emachimeni naku lapha kumkhonto sebasinike sidlile nokudla man chance sisuthi over man asikwazi nokukhuluma na 1000 bafowethu anibone yabo amajita nabazokhipha mhlambe 200 athe ndoda bahamba 200 sawuzazi bhayela inkawuza ke it's only then ungaba ne luxury ye white cigarette uyabona otherwise iPP ilapha kwi budget masithenga ishukela nani kuthengwa namaphakethe kaBP is the only smoke ekhona yeah uyabona mawufuna ukubhema uzawuya kwiBP akuna luxury yedide uyabona yabo and then uyabona ukuthi no sekumele siphile ngemake do manje la ngoba asina source esupplier uyabona ethi ifuna ukuza ibe isource kithi ifuna ukusigwinya asifuni leyo nto siphikisana nalezo zinto lezo so sigcina ngathi si isolated uyabona into njengale but ke mfethu hayi ngabe incwadi esasizifunda